Hey you guys, happy Saturday you guys. Saturday, it's 5 p.m. you guys. I've been inside the whole day, so it's now 5 and I was like, you know what, let me go make 100. Let me go try if I can make $100 from Lyft and Spark. So I'm in a parking lot right now waiting for Lyft or Spark, whatever comes first. That's what we're gonna go with, y'all. So I wanna make 100 before I go home, and I don't know what time exactly I'm going home, but can we make $100 in these 4 hours? 4 hours, 5 hours? Yo, God just blessed me with $40. I just received $40 for 9 miles, 3 customer drop off. Yay! So he's done putting everything in my car. So right now we're about to go drop our first one. My first drop off is 7 minutes away. 7 minutes. Passcode. Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. You have to do this?
Yes. 4438?
Yeah.
Okay. Our second drop off. 3420 here. Here we come. Okay, let's see, 40, 38, 42. 38, 42 is this one. Yeah. Our last drop off. Alright. Why they didn't put this in a box? Like, they can't fit in a bag? Come on. Okay, y'all, I just received Lyft and it's $8. And I'm going to take the person 9 minutes away. That's where the person is going. 9 minutes away. So let's go pick her up. Okay, yeah, I just got another offer from Lyft, $9, and the customer, she's going 10 minutes away, you guys. 10 minutes away for $9. So let's go pick her up. I'm only going to pick her up 3 minutes, y'all. 3 minutes. Okay, you guys, I just received another offer on Spark. $24. It's going 10 miles and it's a shopping order. And it's only 9 items. So it's another Walmart. The Walmart that is on South, so I'm going there, y'all. It's 15-minute drive. Since I don't have that much time to work, let me go there and shop this offer right quick. guys, I am here. Let's drop the items. This place was so confusing to get, so I had to call the customer and ask questions. Yo, so far so good. I'm almost on my goal. My goal of 100 because I came so late. I set my goal to make before I go home to make at least $100. So I am almost there. So I have another offer from Lyft, $15, and she's going. Was it 13 minutes? 13 minutes. That's where she's going, and it's $15. So let's go pick her up. All right, guys, it's 7:30 right now. 7:30, and I just received another offer from Lyft. $11, and the person is going 8 minutes. So almost there, y'all. I think I'm gonna go home around 8:30. So let me do 1 or 2 more. If I get Spark, okay. If I don't get Spark, then it's okay. But I'm going home 8:30, so I have like 1 more hour to work, and yeah, so far so good. This afternoon is so far so good. Hey, it's 8 o'clock right now, and I'm sitting at Walmart waiting to receive Ali's shopping order. So I'm just waiting here for I need a shopping order, please. Shopping order. So let me wait for a couple minutes, and I just received order. Let me go check on Spark. You guys, it's funny how I was talking about I need a shopping order, and I just received the shopping order. So $14, and it's going to Mayo, and I'm only shopping 1 item. I don't like shopping 1 item because once the item is not there, they're gonna cancel the order. At least I need to be 2 items, because if I don't get that one, I can get the other one, you know. I'm hoping I can like it's there. Please let it be there, because I do not want my order to get canceled. And what happened here, yo? Here it usually be packed. This is my Northman Walmart. It usually be packed, but I have no idea where is all the people. Like, where is everybody at? Okay, y'all, let's go shop this one. Okay, y'all, I'm so happy. What I wanted is here. So let me just get somebody to come open. Okay, y'all, so I got my 1 item, thank God. So let's go deliver. Let's make it quick and come back. See if I can get my last one of the day. Because right now it's 8:13. Let me make it quick. Yo, it is 7-minute drive. 7 minutes. So I hope when I come back, I get a shopping order, because it's about to get like dark, and I don't like delivering that dark. So it's only 7. Did I say 7 minutes? 6 minutes between them. So let's go drop it off. Okay. Yo, I just received this offer, you guys. Spark offer, very good paying, $28. But I can't take, y'all. It's another Walmart, which is like 20 minutes from here. Like, I'm not gonna take it, y'all. I'm not gonna take it. Let me just wait for another one. That's too far to go right now. It was $28 for 7 miles, and it's dark, and I don't want to go the way over there again. Now I'm past. Okay, yeah, I gave up. This is my last. I say my last. I am going home. It's getting dark, so on Lyft, you guys, we made $54. $54 on Lyft, and on Spark, I'm not gonna give that one. I don't like it. $5. No. So on Spark, we made $79, as you can see over there, and altogether $134. I'm so thankful, y'all. I only wanted the 100, and God gave me extra. So thank you guys for watching. If you really enjoy this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.